Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read Robinhood stock charts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to log in into your account and start using your Robinhood app. Either it was web app or the mobile app. And after that, you can start just choosing any stock that you would like to look in for, and then you can start reading the charts. Also, you can start discovering investments by reading more on how you can start investor. So as you can see, there are also investor guides in Robinhood, and from there you can learn more about investing and learn more about, for example, stocks, how to read stocks, etc. to learn or to have a general idea or to learn better on how to read stocks. So when you choose any stock, you will start seeing the charts. And basically in the chart, let's just go for the advanced view. Here you will have the duration or period of time. So as you can see, the time travel here is 5 minutes. So basically between each point, you will find 5 minutes of cost. So basically from this time to this time, the chart has raised and basically it has went down to here. That's why the chart is red. And if it was up or it was increasing, it will become green, and that means that the chart is growing, etc. and etc. And as you can see, you will be needing to start choosing uh, a period of times that you are interested in to read on, and basically for example from here to you can start choosing specific times, etc., or you can also start using candlesticks so you can see when it went down and when it goes up from this part to from this time to this time, etc. As you can see, we can you can see the price from here in the right, and you can see if it was increasing or decreasing in the time. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.